Tennessee Beer Wholesaler, Distributor, Manufacturer, Bond. What is the Tennessee Beer Wholesaler, Distributor, Manufacturer Bond? Let's start with the basics. In Tennessee, if you're involved in the beer business as a wholesaler, distributor, or manufacturer, you need to obtain a license. As part of the licensing process, the state requires you to get a bond. This bond acts as a form of insurance or guarantee to ensure that you comply with state laws and regulations governing the sale and distribution of beer. Why is the bond required? The main reason for requiring a bond is to protect the state and consumers. It serves as a financial safeguard in case the bonded party fails to fulfill its obligations. For example, if a wholesaler fails to pay taxes on the beer they distribute, the bond can be used to compensate the state for those unpaid taxes. Likewise, if a distributor breaches its contract with a manufacturer, the bond can cover any damages incurred. Who needs to get bonded? Anyone involved in the beer industry in Tennessee may need to obtain a bond. This includes beer wholesalers. These are businesses that purchase beer from manufacturers and sell it to retailers, such as bars, restaurants, and liquor stores. Beer distributors. Distributors are responsible for transporting beer from wholesalers to retailers. They play a vital role in ensuring that beer reaches its intended destination in a timely and efficient manner. Beer manufacturers, breweries, and other beer producers also need to be bonded. This ensures that they comply with state laws and regulations governing beer production and distribution. How much does the bond cost? The cost of the bond varies, depending on several factors, including the type of bond required and the bonding company you choose. Typically, the bond amount is set by the state and is based on the volume of beer sold or distributed by the bonded party. For example, a larger wholesaler or distributor may be required to obtain a higher bond amount than a smaller operation. How does the bond process work? Obtaining a beer wholesaler distributor manufacturer bond involves a few simple steps. Application. The first step is to apply for the bond through a licensed surety company. You'll need to provide information about your business, such as its name, address, and license number. Underwriting. The surety company will evaluate your application and determine the bond premium based on factors such as your credit history, financial stability, and industry experience. Bond issuance. Once approved, the surety company will issue the bond and provide you with a bond certificate. This certificate serves as proof that you are bonded and compliant with state requirements. Bond renewal. Bonds typically need to be renewed annually, or according to the terms specified by the state. You'll need to pay a renewal premium to keep your bond active. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.